What's up, everybody? So I'm getting ready for my next project, which is installing a saw blades on the quad. Let's go. Let me show you how I drilled the holes. So I marked from this point to this point, from that point to that point. I made these two little lines, which I know that this is gonna match these 4 points. And then I measure from this bolt to this. I found the center. I found the center over here, and I know my number from that hole to this, which is pretty simple because these 4 points helped me. After that, I run about 5 drill bits until I went through this because it's really strong metal. And when I'm gonna install this, I don't think this will ever bend, but for sure it might break in pieces. So we'll see. Nothing just fits, it's always something. Now this center hole, it's too small, and I'm hitting the bolt before I go tight over here, which I got these washers, but when you put the washers, there is this little, I don't know what you call it, it's not letting the washers go tight again. So I gotta put 2 of the little ones so it clears that, and then probably I'll go with 3 big ones and we'll check if it fits or not. Well, that's perfect. It fits just good. It's gonna be like that. And we're here, guys, and I can't wait to see what's gonna happen. These wheels are so skinny, you would think it's not gonna hold, but so far so good. Well, for sure they're not gonna bend, but snap, I don't know. Makes me nervous a little bit. I don't want to damage the disc brakes or nothing on the bottom. But yeah, they're on, so let's sand it. Let's cut everything, whatever it's under the cutting. Asphalt, wood, rocks, dirt, cutting everything. So the biggest problem we have, that's the blades. The blades are too small and the quad is hitting low. And when you hit a bump in the wheels, it kind of sits down and can't do nothing about it. Just get up and push it, pull it, whatever. But yeah, the disc, they're like cutting through the dirt and it lowers the quad until it hits the bottom. But we found a solution. Just get down, pull it, push it. Look at that. Good job. And try again. On. I don't think so. Nope. Oh, just kidding. That's me on the quad. It's just I'm doing the voiceover. Uh, Man, this thing is actually cutting pretty good. Especially after I run the blade cutting asphalt and rocks and everything. And I'm not really comfortable pushing that wood into the blade because I'm filming with one hand and pushing with other hand. But other than that, it works. I mean, if you go quadding, grab a disc, put 4 holes and use it, you know? for barbecue, for anything. Cut some wood and yeah. Man, I'm surprised how strong those blades are. I mean, we cut through the wood, asphalt, dirt, rocks, everything. For drifting, wheelies, and they're still there. For sure, from the beginning I thought they're gonna snap in first minute. But no, they're still good. Well, at least, you know, it's good that we got to finish the video. They didn't break in like first second. So, just to let you know, we had a lot of fun doing this video. And if you guys like that video, please share, subscribe, and we're thinking of some other videos to make it for you guys, so stay tuned.